Experiencing a key not detected error in your 2019-2025 Jeep Wrangler can be frustrating. This video provides quick solutions to unlock and start your Jeep when your key fob is dead or malfunctioning. We'll cover practical steps and helpful tips to get you back on the road fast. The main causes are a dead fob battery or software issues, but there are multiple easy ways to solve this problem. Every 2019-2025 Wrangler has a hidden mechanical key that can save you when the keyless system fails. Step 1. Locate the key slot. It's under the driver's side door handle or inside the center console. Step 2. Use the physical key to manually unlock the door. Step 3. Use the key in the ignition cylinder to start the car. This bypasses the keyless system entirely and works even with a completely dead fob battery. If the key is not working, you can try holding the key fob directly against the start button while pressing the brake. This works sometimes because the key reader can still detect the signal from the key fob up close. If this works, it is highly likely the key fob battery needs to be replaced. Since 2023, Jeep offers a smartphone app with digital key functionality. If you've set it up, use your phone to unlock and start your Wrangler. Open the Jeep app on your smartphone. Follow the on-screen instructions to use your phone as a key. This requires prior setup, so plan ahead. To reprogram your key fob, you have two main options. You can do it yourself using an OBD2 scanner, or take it to a dealership for professional service. For the DIY approach, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. This tool connects to your vehicle's diagnostic port, usually located under the dashboard. The reprogramming process involves several steps. First, connect the OBD2 scanner to your vehicle's diagnostic port. Alternatively, you can take your vehicle to a Jeep dealership. Professional reprogramming typically costs between $50 and $150. To prevent future key fob issues, make sure to install software updates from Stellantis. These updates are often applied during dealership visits and address firmware glitches that cause the error. Replacing the fob battery is a simple DIY task. First, use a small screwdriver to open the key fob casing. Remove the old battery, which is typically a CR2032 type. Insert the new battery, ensuring correct polarity with the positive side up and negative side down. Close the casing securely to ensure it snaps into place. Test the fob to ensure it works properly with your vehicle. A new battery typically lasts between 1 and 3 years before needing replacement. If problems persist after trying the basic fixes, consider these troubleshooting tips. First, ensure there's no signal interference from metal objects or nearby electronics that could block the key fob signal. Second, check for potential ECU malfunctions or issues from aftermarket modifications that might affect the keyless entry system. To prevent future key not detected issues, replace the fob battery annually, particularly before winter when cold weather can drain batteries faster. Always carry a spare physical key in your wallet or glove box for emergency situations. The future of Jeep keys is digital. Expect increased reliance on smartphone apps and biometric solutions. Stellantis is investing in AI-driven diagnostics and wireless charging for keys. However, cybersecurity remains a concern. For now, understanding these basic fixes will keep you on the road. If these solutions fail, consult a certified mechanic or Jeep dealership for professional assistance.